Welcome to our channel. Today we have a full review of the Zerai Tanning Drops, which have recently gained popularity. But is it really worth buying, or is it just another scam? Stay with us to find out the truth. Zerai Tanning Drops claim to give you a natural and even tan without sun exposure. You simply mix it with your moisturizer to achieve a beautiful bronzed look. But is it really effective? We searched the internet and gathered user reviews about the product. Some users confirmed that it works great and gives them a natural color, while others complained about unexpected results or even side effects, such as irritation or uneven skin tone. The product contains natural ingredients that claim to be safe for the skin, but are there any scientific studies to back up these claims? Some experts suggest that similar products may contain substances that could cause irritation for sensitive skin. When evaluating Zerai Tanning Drops, we find that it offers some benefits, such as ease of use and quick results, which some users praised. However, we cannot ignore the drawbacks reported by others, including uneven color or skin irritation, making it unsuitable for everyone. Additionally, compared to some market alternatives, its price may be high without providing clear added value. So, whether or not to buy it depends on your skin type and expectations. But it's important to be cautious and perform a patch test before using it on your face or body. If you're looking for similar products at a lower price, I've researched the best alternatives available on Amazon that offer similar results for a cheaper price. You'll find links to these products in the description below. If you're looking for an alternative to traditional tanning, Zerai Tanning Drops might be a good option, but make sure to test it on a small area of your skin first. And if you want more affordable options, don't forget to check the links in the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more exclusive reviews.